Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel. Thank you so very much for joining me today. Today I have a plant that I just got in the mail, and I normally do not, well actually it should be two plants. I normally do not purchase plants through the mail. I go in store for my plants, or I will like drive for my plants because I don't like to wait. And so it's just too much for me to have to wait. I think I ordered this back in September, and I'm getting it now, but the site does let you know that that's the amount of time that it will take. So it's not anything against them as much as it's just a lot. So my daughter just opened the box for me because obviously I couldn't do that. I was challenged. And so this is what I have inside. And, oh, I don't know what this is. Okay, that's paper. The first one, I won't keep you too long, I promise. Oh, this is the mellow that I ordered. I have a, what's the other one? That is, oh, it's pretty. Oh, it's, look in there. Look how pretty the leaves look. What a presentation. Oh, this can become addicting, but it won't. You know, I just did my nails and they're not fully dry yet. So. Okay. Wow, it's so pretty. It's so nicely wrapped. Look at that. It's raining outside, so it's really dark today. Okay, drop on the floor. Look, wow, this is amazing. Oh, she's coming up out of there, but it's not, it's okay. She doesn't feel super wet. She just feels comfortably wet. Look at her leaves. Oh my goodness, I've never seen one of these in person. Oh, wow. It's so healthy. And it does feel different. This is the mellow. I remember the name of this plant now. They look a lot alike, but this one has a lot more detailing in it, and the leaves are a little bit darker. But it's not this one right here, which is called the Maharani. This is the Maharani, and this is the mellow. And the Maharani is a mixture of two different plants, and the mellow is one of the mixtures. Obviously, you can see the connection. Look at that. Oh, it's so pretty. I love my Maharani, and so I really wanted to have a mellow. Oh, now that leaf is just dreamy. Look at that. Look how pretty it is. It really does look like a brain. The leaves are very, very thick and heavy. Oh, I'm so excited about her. And she has a new leaf opening up right there. Oh, I'm so happy. Okay. Okay, just one more. Just one more. And this is a nebula. And let's see what she looks like from the top. This one's a lot smaller. I can't see inside of this one. So let's open her up. This one is a plug. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. I don't know how I'll get her out. I'm trying not to damage it. It's not in a pot, it's just the plug itself. Oh my goodness. Okay, we'll just leave it like this for right now. This is the cute little nebula. Okay. She's pretty. The leaves are strong. Oh, I love that. I love that pop. There's the nebula, and I will put a picture of how she looks in the mature form on the screen so that you can see it. Oh, look how pretty she is. That's a beautiful little leaf. Oh, I'm so excited about seeing her grow. And she has 1, 2, 3, 4 leaves, and then she has a new one on its way in, right in the middle. I don't know if you can see it, but she's got a new one on the way in. She's pretty. This is a strong plant. This is not a weak little plant. She is not in a pot. I'm trying to think if I have a pot small enough to put her into. Oh, yes, I do. I do have a pot small enough for her. It's so beautiful and striking with the silver and the green. It is just so beautiful. But even in this baby stage, it is really pretty. Very unique. It looks almost Baginda-ish with all of the dragon scale jewel alocasias are in the Baginda family, but I don't believe it's a part of the Baginda family. But she's beautiful. Oh, I can't wait to see her root system. Actually, I can see her root system through the packaging. I can see that she has good roots down there. Oh, I love it. I love it so much. This is so cute. Look at my 2 new babies. I am actually going to be purging quite a number of my plants. When I was bringing plants in, I mentioned that I was going to be sharing some plants with some of my friends in my congregation, but I also have some others that I am going to be parting with, not to fill up again with them as much as I realize now the plants that I really want to focus on. And I love all of my plants. I think that there are maybe 3 plants in my entire collection that I have a little bit of a situation with. And Grandma Hammer asked me to do a video sharing the plants that are not my biggest draw or go-to plants, and I do love them, but because of different reasons with each one of the plants, I have a little bit of a situation with them. So I will definitely be sharing those with you. Maybe the next video I will share that with you, just to tell you the plants that, because they are going to be going bye-bye, and because I think someone else would just be so happy with them because it just fits their lifestyle. For my lifestyle, it doesn't fit my plant lifestyle. So I will definitely be sharing those with you. But these fit my lifestyle. These make me smile. I love them. Oh, I am so excited. I can't wait to just sit down and just like really unwrap them. But I really wanted to experience this with you. So, I'm sorry. So these are my 2 new babies. Please tell me if you have these. Oh, they're so cute. I love them. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope to talk to you again very shortly. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.